Welcome back. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and install your Trust Wallet account. So what we need to do is go to your Play Store to go and download your Trust Wallet. For an Android, you go to Play Store. For an iPhone user, you go to your App Store. Now let's go to our Play Store, and here we have our Trust Wallet already. Here you can see, and just click on search, just type it Trust Wallet and click on send. Then as I said, you can see my own is already installed and just asked to update. If it is in your own case that has not installed your Trust Wallet already, you're going to see install. Just click on install, then you go to the process, then it's going to install successfully on your phone. So once that's done, just click on open. But here I'm going to go back to my apps here and search for the Trust Wallet for you to see how it looks like. This is it here. This is after you've downloaded it, it's going to be like this. Just click on this and it's going to open. Now this is how the interface is. You can see this is it. It's going to bring everything about crypto, the BTC or the Ethereum. I can see everything here. Then NFT also will also be here. If you have any NFT and you wanted to send, you wanted to buy through your the Trust Wallet, yeah, you can see you want to receive, you want to sell. You can see this is it, and your token you wanted to sell. Everything is very easy. Just click on it, then you'll be able to sell. And if you want to do anything on your profile, this is how you're going to do it. Just click on your, this is it here, and this is it to manage your crypto here. Now let me just show you something here. Your okay, now you can see this is how you can earn on your Trust Wallet. You have native staking, we have launch pool. Let's go back and let's see something. Come to your settings here, and here you can set anything here, your notification. You want to connect it to your Twitter, your Telegram, your Facebook, your Reddit, your YouTube, and your Instagram. You can do everything here. It's very easy. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and click the like button and drop your comment. Thank you guys.